Okay guys, so this is going to be how to add colors. So any kind of print statement or input statement that you have, okay, you can change the color. So right now, print normal color, that's normal color. So if we don't do anything, it'll print black, okay? So at the beginning of any program, including your Ghost game, you can do import console. Okay, make sure that there's no space. So import console, and you're gonna need to do this if you wanna start changing the color. So once you do this and you start changing the color, you're going to need to set the color of everything you want. So we are going to do console dot and then set underscore color. And then so then notice you have the pop-up and you can use this. So there's gonna be 3 colors. You have RGB, red, comma, green, comma, blue. Okay? Setting the colors to 000 will still give you black font. Okay? Now, if we do another one, console dot set color, and we choose a 1, 0, 0, noticing that RGB is how this works. The next time we print something, okay, and we're gonna print red. Print. Normal color, red. Okay, next thing, console dot set color 0, 1 RGB. So now we are on green. Okay, we're going to print, and we're going to print green. Okay, and finally, console dot set color 0, 0, 1, and that is going to print. I think you guys at this point understand what I'm trying to say. It's going to print blue. Okay, now nuances. I want a different color. Well, you could technically maybe try to find this online, but some of the other things you might have to do is play with it. So in this case, I am going to turn blue and add red at 1 to purple. Now it's purple. Maybe I don't want it to be exactly that color, so I can add a point value. 1 is as high as it can go. A point, let's say 0.7. Run it. Okay, it's going to be a different colored purple. I could add maybe a 0.6 here and see what color it makes, and it makes a lighter color like that. Okay, so it really depends on kind of how you want to try making it. So that's a different color blue, okay, because I am changing the values of red, green, and blue. Okay, so that is kind of how it works. You can put those before any print statement or any input in order to change the color of the text. Remember, if you want it to be different colors at different times, you have to use this multiple times. Thank you.